know it's enough liquor that real. Not yet. It's darker than that. I like mine's kind of burnt. But got me some coffee too. I done switched it up. Oh, we love I had this. This is classic roast. It's not dark roast, but I had some of that in a minute. I got little lumps in here. I don't want no lumps in my grits right here. I'm gonna put some butter in here. And probably just a little bit of milk. I really don't like putting milk in. I'm just gonna put a little bit. I don't know, it's probably like almost 7 o'clock, or is it already 7? I've been to the grocery store and all of that. Been up since 5 a.m. Maybe 4 or something, as a matter of fact. I'll show y'all this stuff in this thing. These are absolutely so cute to me. Look at the bling on these though. Like, can you see them? And they were. These are so cute. Look, Daisy Princess. Then I got these on here. And I got some cute earrings. Jessica Simpson. Oh my God, this right here, because I was at the mall too. I end up spending, I got some cologne perfume right here. But I was in the mall and I was like, is that the same? But I don't think it is. But that, and then from the mall, hey, 232 chips. These are cute, which I like. So, but these are not mine. These are Bae's. Yeah. That's that. Quick haul. Enjoy them. And these are from Mom. So yeah, thank you. Thank you. These are, say, classic. And it has bling on them too. So yeah, these are cute. Cool little wig. So yeah. But these are like more dressier than the other sandals that I showed you. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to clean right here because it has like tape residue. But these are nice. Very nice. So yeah. Cute. So it is Father's Day weekend. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there that work hard, that are a constant in their children's lives, and those that mentor, and you know, that's just a positive role model. So shout out. I made this, you know, it is Father's Day weekend, and I decided to cook up some fish do some mac and cheese, and a quick salad. So fry some fish in the deep fryer, and yeah, that's what it was. It was an easy, quick, decent meal. And yeah, so that's the fish there. I like mine kind of soft and crunchy too, crispy. So yeah, that's what I made. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into an affordable grocery store haul, because this economy, we're just trying to keep it affordable and get the things that we need, and keep meals in mind when we shop. Keep a budget too.
Okay, quick Dollar Tree haul. So I got some bubble gum. Tried one, was pretty good. Got these right here, which summertime, gonna use those. Happy summer, by the way. Okay, and it's Juneteenth to be exact, so happy Juneteenth to everyone. And I got some foils. These are so good right here. The apple, caramel apple ones. Okay, got some foil. Got some mouthwash there, and some Ajax dish liquid soap, and I got this tomato, okra, and corn. Got 2 cans to be exact, and Mount here. Some chews. What is this? Charleston chews, and just some shavers. And I only spent like $16. The store is called Superior. Okay, but Superior. Okay, and I got these here. These were only like $2.29. The oil was like $3.49, and I got some bananas. This juice right here, it wasn't that much. I think it was only like $2.99. Okay, the potatoes were $2.99. So they're the potatoes there, and then I had some spinach leaves. These were $1.69, so I got 2 bags, and this was only 99 cents. Okay, so let me see. So I spent $14 on one trip, then I went to another one and I spent $27. And then I got the Crystal Geyser water here. I don't even see it. This is not the receipt, so let's scratch that, because that one didn't have the water on there, which I thought it did. That was for Taco Tuesday, so that doesn't count. So, but anyway, these are the receipts. A store called El Supre. Okay, and I spent $12 in there, and then I spent $12 in there, and then I spent $10. Okay, so those are the receipts for that. Got me some more of these peanuts here, which I like. I got a watermelon and a rotisserie. Okay, so the rotisserie was like $10. So that is my quick little haul on all the things that I end up getting from the grocery store.